This is the 2AR, and I'm going to be comparing my arguments against my opponent's arguments. My arguments was that my advantage one was to ease world's energy problems. Um, Comparing my arguments for the last time with my opponents, um, he goes into a lot of about the conspiracy theories and most of what he says is not really specific. His plan doesn't really have a plan. Well, my plan is that we can go to the moon and extract the minerals, waters, and the minerals, the water, and the energy. I make it very clear in my first constructive video that there's multiple ways that we could use the moon to our advantage. One of those ways is that we can make water from lunar rocks. If the lunar rocks are broken, it actually creates oxygen and it goes into the air. Also, iron could be used to make infrastructures on the moon. He never mentioned anything about iron, and he never mentioned anything about water. He did mention something about building structures on the moon, but he didn't mention how to go about with that. He did also mention Russia, and I did not mention that in my plan. He went on to talk about how he wanted to make the moon look more like Earth, and that really didn't make sense because the moon and the Earth are not really that similar. So, I mean, why change it? Also, he kept going about talking about how one billionaire is going to fund one project on NASA, which is called which is going to launch the moon exploration. He also goes into talking about video games, and it's really kind of like a topicality reason there. Also, supplying energy from the moon will help us to help provide that Earth's energy needs without destroying Earth's environment. I think that's very true, and that's also another addition to my plan that he doesn't have. He just keeps rambling about weird things, and it doesn't really make sense. He also talks about how Russia might take the moon away from us, or that something about naming something talking about blue. Really, no relevance to the plan. I think my plan is far more detailed and far more extensive. And my plan will be way more beneficial in the long run. I feel like that will be perfect. My plan will be perfect. Thank you.